Alright guys, so today we're going to Kscope picnic, I think it's called Kscope picnic, and I'll let you see what it's about and I'll take you there just to show you what's going on, and maybe if I'm up to it I'll play a little game while I'm there. Did I mention that after I took the bus and the subway to get here, I still have to do 1K, so I have to walk for 1 kilometer, so it's about 10 minutes walk, so I'm almost there. So I've been walking for 30 minutes. Yeah, I think my friend sent me the wrong address, and now I don't know where I'm at, but I'm just walking. You know, it's a park, so checking out a little bit of the view, and when I get there, I'm in no rush, so I'm taking my time, strolling. Okay, so we're here, we got the food, and this is what they are. The order says vegetarian small chops, what is that, jollof? And chicken, vegetarian and chicken. Let me just point that out to you. And Kscope, that's the brand. I'll let you meet her soon, okay? All right, let's see what's in the bag. So we have this little cute go box. I think it's pretty nice. I like that. And it says handmade with love. That's cute. And then I think that's a chicken. And then this must be the rice. Yeah. All right, Charlene, you open it. Yeah, I like that box. It's pretty cool. Plus they got the little stickers, and then my name is there too, so that's pretty nice. So Charlene's gonna open it for us so we can see what's inside. Oh, it's chicken and rice. Look at that.
So what's here?
So let's see what's here. Maybe it's a vegetarian.
Oh yeah, okay, that's the thing that we share. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
So that's like
Pop-ups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And those are the vegetarian baby chops. Okay. So
Okay.
That's a small chop.
And this is all Nigerian food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nigerian food. It's pretty cool.
Why do you get chicken?
I don't know. I'll wait for you.
Oh yeah.
Box, let's see what's inside her bag. She doesn't want to show me, so she's moving. I gotta be all up in her.
I really love it. It's too rice and chicken.
Let me see. She was hiding it. Okay, what's in the other stuff? She got a lot of stuff in hers. So you ordered 2 rice and chicken, you're greedy.
No. Because at first when I made the I thought it was for 2 persons.
Oh.
So show me know that for like to count people in a better way, I should make 2 different orders.
Okay.
So that's why I have 2. So I already have like 2 rice.
Oh. And then what's in this one?
So this is like words and so we can share that.
This one. What's
Yeah,
inside here?
So we can share that and
What is it though? What kind of meat is it? She doesn't even know.
Oh yeah, it's beef suya. Yeah, I forgot. That was a long time ago.
What?
That's beef suya and pepper gizzard.
Gizzard. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there you go. There's where you bought the rice, the chicken and rice twice.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah. All right. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is the vegetable. I asked you where the vegetable is, and you said this is the vegetable. That's what Charlene said. Let me show you her.
I'm not proud of that. But the one I'll never forget is that she made food for him, like pap. So he was not, no. He was not eating the pap. He now noticed like black speckles in the pap.
Black pepper.
He was like, what is this? And she was like, oh, it comes from here. And she just brought out this plastic container with burnt paper. The guy is an engineer, international. All his contracts, all his degrees, she burnt everything. She now served some to him. She was like, this is just your, all the things.
You're crazy. She burned his qualifications. Well, it's easy to get back still, but you know, it's not a lot.
That's some of those things. If you
It's
don't
just a piece of paper. It costs you like 2 weeks to get it back.
No,
or so.
but that's my point. Why will I want to stay in
So I have a question.
That's the sad thing. You look left.
See, when you want to try to divorce in all that other mess, that's when you see madness. The same people that were nodding you ahead. Unfortunately, I'm currently separated from my husband, and I had the same. That's why I'm speaking like from experience. It's the same thing. It's not who I wanted to marry, but it was the most convenient person for all of us, right? And both of us are facing it. And I told you last time, like,
Yeah, the music. Because I'm trying to take
at the end of the day, I told him that at the end of the day, we are the ones suffering. Like,
what would you change?
both of us, we had no business getting married. We're two different human beings. Right?
But they say
My
opposite
husband
attract.
is a typical Nigerian man. He's the don't challenge me kind of man. And me, once you just say don't, and my antenna is up. I'm ready to
Like
say,
challenge me. I'll take the challenge.
I saw a little bit of it. That's why I was one among the people that was against the marriage in the first place, right? But he was the kind of the ideal man. So whenever I complain, my mom would be like, this guy. Like, I don't understand what you're not saying. And at some point, it was like, I'm the only crazy person. Even my friends, everybody was like, are you okay? Like, why are you not saying this guy? He's a perfect gentleman for somebody else. I like that. But not me. I keep telling you now, like, understand? I'm very honest with you. I mean, I told somebody recently, like, she was like, I said, I'm on a mission to find a wife for him. So like, maybe when it's so most women forget themselves and just leave their children. That is their children is their life. So you might also forget your husband if you don't in the process. So a lot, right? When my son is like 7 years old, the people I did whenever I go back home, they're all those women are like, your mates that you did marriage class with, you have 3 children. What are you waiting for? Why do you have only one? I was like, are you not helping us? What's the problem?
That happened to my mom. They were like, 3 boys. Try for a 4th. There was an aunt that was special. I'll never forget it. I was playing, but like you say, kids here, and I still remember today. The aunt was like, try for a 4th, and my mom was like, come, sit down. Check my husband's side. What do you see the children ratio? As my mom went mathematical, she said, oh, they have like 4 boys, and maybe they have a girl or 5. Girls are scarce. And my mom was like, okay, and the woman was still like trying to be emotional. My mom just landed one question. Okay, but have you?
But they are the people that you want to build. So you need to have that level of friendship with the person because lifetime is a very long time.
Yeah.
That's crazy. My brother said that it was like you actually be married to your wife longer than you raise your kids.
Yeah,
definitely.
You probably live. Yeah. You probably live with your wife for like 60 years.
When I was doing marriage
unless you
counseling,
divorce them.
What's it called? The lady asked us, it was so funny. She asked us for the definition of a family. I just said mother, father, family. So I said mother, father, and children. And she was like, no. You and your husband, that's the true definition of family. Because your kids will leave you. It should always be you and your husband. I just never thought about it that way. They usually have to struggle with when the children now finally leave. They don't know who they are.
So Yvonne, I just want you to say hi to my followers on YouTube. Hi. And to tell them a little bit of what Kscope is and the wonderful event that you planned today.
This lovely group of people, you have the best host, best YouTuber. She can get a crowd like popping. Like, let me tell you something. Like, today we learned that there's a different spice level, number 1. Number 2, we got some advice on, what was that? The game? Yeah, slow and steady wins the race, right?
Yeah.
Okay, not just rush every time. But yeah, so the Kscope is an online platform to find African fashion and food, and we are building a product that will make people, find all these things easily. So if you've been looking for African fashion and been Googling it, come to the Kscope. And thank you so much, Shanetel's group. Please follow me at Yvonne _ Don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.